In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Life is challenging. Life is full of challenges. There are enough number of difficulties and complications in the life. Yet, life is precious. Life is important. Now, the question is whether there are only the difficulties and the complications in the life. No. There are certain good things in the life, but maybe we have lost the flavor of these good things. Maybe because we are that much focused, have concentrated upon the difficulties of life, the complications and the troubles of life, that we ourselves has become a complicated, a bitter, a dull human being. It's a pity. It's pathetic. We should not have done so. No matter what sort of situation is there, no matter what sort of situation is there, it is good to stay pleasant. And these difficulties and complications of the life cannot harm us much. I repeat my words because these are very important. These complications and difficulties of the life cannot harm us much as long as we stick to the being pleasant, being a pleasant human being. Never be bitter, always be sweet. Never be bitter, never be sour, never be unpleasant. No matter how much difficulties are there, how much complications are there, these complications and the difficulties of life looks bigger to us. Why? Because we have concentrated upon, because we have zeroed in on those things. Should not have done so. We should have made a commitment with ourselves and with our Creator that I shall stay pleasant, I shall be happy, I shall be happy, I shall be normal, I shall be pleasant, regardless of the situation. And if at all we do succeed in doing that, we do succeed indeed as long as we are committed. And once we are committed and once we do succeed in keeping ourselves as pleasant and sweet person, believe me or not, these difficulties and these troubles cannot do much harm to us. These troubles lose their efficacy, lose their cutting edge. Why? Because we are pleasant, because we are sweet, because we are happy, because we want to enjoy the life, because we want to enjoy the pleasant small things in the life and in around us as well. There are plenty of things which are free, but which can make us pleasant. We overlook. What we do? We overlook these, we ignore these. Why? Because because we are because these things are free, available and free. Since we didn't pay anything else, that is why I am of the view that we should be staying pleasant, sweet, enjoying the beautiful moments of our life. Never ever ignore the small, pleasant, beautiful things around you. No matter how small these pleasant and sweet things are, never ever ignore them. Never ever ignore them. Never overlook them. Rather, try your level best to take the maximum advantage of these. Try your level best to take the maximum advantage of these. That is the right thing to do. That is the best thing to do. This is the most precious gift we can give to ourselves. This is the most precious gift to we ourselves. What could be good and what could be better than this one? Isn't it right? Let's make a new commitment. With whom? With we ourselves, with our Creator, with our loved ones, that I shall stay pleasant no matter what. And I shall never ever be overlooking, ignoring the things which are very small, very minute, but pleasant. Enjoy the small things. Enjoy the pleasant things no matter how small it is. Consider these small things as precious, like jewels. Consider them. Consider these small things as jewels. Thank you. Jazakallah.